Hey Britt, today we're here in Laguna Beach with this quaint little house. Talk to us about it.
I love the location. You're a block to the beach and the water, 2 blocks to Carousal grocery, and their adorable little gift shop.
Yes.
You've got the Sun Bear Art Gallery. It's just a perfect location.
Yeah, so let's check it out.
Love all the natural light coming in this cozy little living room.
And you've got quite a kitchen for this great little space. This quaint little 2-bed is so close to the sand. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com.